One day in the forest, not far from my house, I found some wild goats. I was just about to shoot one when I saw at my feet a baby goat. I picked it up and carried it to home with me. In a few days it became quite tame, and after that it never left my side. After a year or two on the island, I decided to make a boat. Taking the examples of Negroes and Indians, I wondered if I could build a canoe. I chose a tree in the woods and with much difficulty cut it down and began to build a kind of boat. But I failed to consider how I was to get it to the sea, which was 45 fathoms of land away. After 5 months, I finished the boat. I tried to get it into the water, but it was too heavy to move. I thought of the possibility of bringing water to the boat by digging a series of trenches. But this endeavor also failed, and with great reluctance, I gave this attempt over also. This endeavor was profitable because it taught me an important lesson: the folly of beginning a work before we count the cost and before we judge rightly of our own strength to go through with it. This work took me through my 4th year on the island. Thinking again on my condition, I realized that on the island my wants were supplied. I had more materials than I needed to work with, and I was delivered from temptation. I suffered neither from lust, pride, nor greed. I now found my life to be much easier than before. I taught myself how to make pots out of mud, and how to make them hard and durable by burning them. I grew some corn and rice, and also some wheat, and I taught myself to make bread. My life on the island was a happy one. I had a good house, plenty to eat, and plenty of work to do. One day I was walking along the seashore thinking about my home across the seas, when I suddenly looked down. There, on the sand in front of me, was a clear footprint. It was not mine, but the footprint of another man.